shouldn't have opened there.
Nice.
Get the fuck out of my room and play Minecraft!
Let's get roll.
I got my hair in it. Why is it open like this? There you go. There's a box. That's a cord. That's a game.
That's the game, boys and girls.
It's a fucking PlayStation exclusive.
Well,
That's the instruction. Keeps getting stuck. It's not that smooth.
please do not drop this.
You want me to eat it?
Yeah, just eat my Ps4 Pro. This is Jet Black Edition.
Oh, it's got cute little things on it.
Oh, yeah, there's only a couple squares there.
Oh, they cute.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah, get
Oh,
it.
get the cat off the...
The bottom?
Yeah, that's the bottom.
Oh, that would have been so much cuter as the top.
There's
this
the
one
top right there.
sucks.
You get a shiny, you get a chrome PlayStation logo. This is a Ps4 Pro, by the way, so we're not messing around anymore. There we go. Ps4 Pro, boys and girls, there's the meow.
I picked the best outfit for this.
It's okay.
It's pretty dirty.
And Red Dead Redemption 2, we're gonna play some of that. Maybe. Just came out like half an hour ago. There you go. We're the second person to buy one.
At the Walmart in this
At the
tiny little
Walmart.
town.
An Ontario Walmart, middle of nowhere. Thanks for watching.
Definitely not the second person ever.
Thanks for watching.
Look at the kitty!
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
We're gonna ship one. We're gonna give a cat giveaway. I was like one of those little. It's like that the thing where the cat. It's like the piggy bank.
Oh, she's hot.
Oh my god, she's going for it there.
Hey you. You're unboxed.
There's the back.
I unboxed you.
There's the back of the.
Look at I unboxed her.
Yeah, we're in Canada, so everything's in French as well.
Oh, look at the cute paws.
Cool beans. Network 2 to 32. That's pretty cool. 105 gigabyte minimum. That's over 10%. It's over 10% of this hard drive. That's ridiculous.
How much power drive does this kitty take?
She has infinite gigabytes.
Oh, Jesus, we don't have enough room for that kitty on this PlayStation.
No, she's too much data.
Stupid.
Meow. Alright, thanks for watching.
You totally could have got that cute little shot of that kitty. Look at her face.
Oh,